Are you preparing for Tripura TPSC Junior Engineer Civil Exam? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, we will discuss important questions for the Tripura TPSC Junior Engineer Civil Exam. If you are new on our channel Ranking Pedia Education, then subscribe our channel. So if you are preparing for Tripura TPSC Junior Engineer Civil Exam, you can enroll in our course. In our course, you will get ebook that covers the entire engineering portion syllabus, question bank that covers engineering portion, mock test series that consists of 10 mock test, quality mock test we will provide that is fully dedicated to your preliminary examination, and you will get 24/7 guidance and support. This course does not include video classes, it only includes civil engineering degree portion. So if you are preparing for Tripura TPSC Junior exam, then you can enroll in this course. Course price is just 999 rupees. So how you will enroll in this? Just visit our website rankingpediaeducation.com and you can purchase from there. First question is, the rocks having alumina or clay as their major constituents are known as, options are siliceous rocks, argillaceous rocks, calcareous rocks or sedimentary rocks. So you have to tell the rocks having alumina or clay as their major constituents. So coming on to the siliceous rocks, in the siliceous rocks, the chief constituent of siliceous rocks are your sand, silica, that is SiO2, quartzite and granite. Now for argillaceous rocks, the chief constituent of argillaceous rock is clay, alumina, Al2O3, state or laterite belong in these categories. For calcareous rocks, the chief constituent of calcareous rock is your lime, limestone and marble stone. Okay, so the rocks having alumina or clay as the major constituents are known as argillaceous rocks. Option number B is correct. Next question is, laterite is chemically classified as, your options are calcareous rocks, argillaceous rocks, siliceous rocks or in a metamorphic rock. So you have to tell the laterite is chemically classified among which rocks. So coming on to the calcareous rocks. So calcareous rocks, as I have told you, the principal constituent is lime, limestone, marble or dolomite. For argillaceous rocks, the principal constituent is your alumina, that is Al2O3. Rocks are hard and brittle. Okay, your slate, laterite comes in argillaceous rocks. Whereas in your siliceous rocks, the principal constituent is your silica, that is SiO2, sand. In metamorphic rocks are classified under your geological classification. So the correct answer for this question, laterite is chemically classified as, is option number B, that is argillaceous rock. Next question is, the compressive strength of sandstone is, so here is the detail. Here is the option mentioned, 800 kg per centimeter square or 650 kg per centimeter square or 550 kg per centimeter square or 400 kg per centimeter square. So the compressive strength of sandstone is, you have to answer in this. So what is the correct answer? Correct is 650 kg per centimeter square. Next question is, which one of the following represent a metamorphic rock? Option is your slate, shale or quartzite. So you have to tell among these which are metamorphic rock. Option is only third, that means quartzite is a metamorphic rock, or shale and quartzite is a metamorphic rock. Option C is about slate and quartzite are metamorphic rock, or slate, shale and quartzite, all of three are metamorphic rock. So metamorphic rocks are your gneiss, laterite, marble, muram, quartzite. These are your metamorphic rock. Whereas basalt, trap, granite, these are your igneous rock. Sedimentary rock, your conchod, chalk, limestone, sandstone, shale, these are your what? Sedimentary rock. So which one of the following option is correct? That is slate and quartzite. Slate and quartzite are your metamorphic rock. Option number C is correct. Next question, granite mainly composed of quartz and feldspar particles is obtained from, your option is sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, igneous rocks or volcanic rocks. So granite mainly composed of quartz and feldspar particles is obtained from, you have to tell it is obtained from which one of the following rocks. So which one is this? igneous rock is the correct option, that is option number C. Next question is Smith's test is performed to determine option is durability, crushing strength, wear, or soluble minerals. So Smith test is what? This is to check whether the stone contains muddy substance. A sample of stone is kept in a glass of distilled water and stirred vigorously. After 24 hours, it is observed to see that the presence of earthy substance stone containing more earthy substance simply slumps. This is all about Smith's test. So Smith test is performed to determine what? A soluble minerals. Option number D is correct. Next question is metamorphic rocks are the rocks which are formed. Your options is when molten lava, that is magma, cools and turns to solid rock, when heat and pressure are applied on the rocks, when small pieces of rocks are pressed together over a period of time, or due to the gradual erosion of the earth's surface. So metamorphic rocks are the rocks which are formed when heat and pressure are applied on the rocks. Option number B is correct. Next question is which one of the following is a significant constituent of sedimentary rock? Option is magnetite, hematite, calcite, or halite. So which one of the following is a significant constituent of sedimentary rock? You have to answer this. So which one is? That is calcite. Option number C is correct. Next question is thumbnail and leaf scratching test is to determine what? Option A is hardness of stone. Option B is toughness of stone. Option C is strength of concrete. Option D is durability of concrete. So thumbnail and leaf scratching are used to determine the hardness of brick in general. So which one is the correct? Hardness of stone, that is option number A is correct. Leaf scratching can also be used to determine the hardness of stone. Hardness is defined as what? As the resistance to scratching and indentation. Option number A is correct, that is hardness of stone. Next question is impact value of stone for road work specified is. Options are wearing coat 30%, bituminous macadam, that is 35%, water-bound macadam, that is 40%, or all of the above. So impact value of stone for road work specified is all of the above. Option number D is correct. Next question is the maximum allowable Los Angeles abrasion value for high quality surface course is. Your option is 50%, 30%, 25%, or 80%. So the maximum allowable Los Angeles abrasion value for high quality surface course is 30%. Maximum value of 40% is allowed for WBM base course. Okay, so which one is the correct option? Option number B, that is 30%. Mohs scale is used for stone to determine what? Options are flakiness index, durability, strength, or hardness. So Mohs hardness rough measure of this resistance of a smooth surface is for the scratching or abrasion. So Mohs scale is used for stones to determine the hardness. Option number D is correct. Next question is the rate of loading strength test is applied in crushing. Options are 10 ton per minute, 40 ton per minute, 20 ton per minute, or 400 ton per minute. So the rate of loading applied in crushing strength test is 40 ton per minute. Option number B is correct. Next question is in case of building stones, the test that is used to find the presence of soluble organic matter inside the stone is. So which one of the following test is the test that is used to find the presence of soluble organic matter inside the stone? You have to answer. Your options are Brad's test, acid test, crystallization test, or Smith test. So Smith test is done to find the presence of soluble organic matter inside the stone. Option number D is correct. Next question is which of the following has more fire resisting characteristics? Options are marble, limestone, compact sandstone, or granite. So which one of the following has more fire resisting characteristics? You have to answer. So that is compact sandstone. Option number C is correct. Next question is, most of the stones possess the specific gravity in the range of. You have to tell the range. Your options are 1 to 1.5, 1.5 to 2, 2.4 to 2.8, or 3 to 4. So what is the range? You have to specify this. So most of the stone possess the specific gravity, that is also known as relative density. So the specific gravity is in the range 2.4 to 2.8. Option number C is correct. Next question is, the pressure acting on the stone in stone masonry construction should be. Options are along the direction of bedding planes, at 60° to the direction of bedding planes, or at 45° to the direction of bedding planes, or perpendicular to the direction of bedding planes. So which one of the following is correct? So that is perpendicular to the direction of bedding planes. Option number D is correct. Next question is, in a core drilled for 100 meter, the following fragments were obtained: 24 centimeter, 12, 11, 9, 22, 8, 12 and loose rock. The RQD of the rock is. So you have to answer this. Options are 17%, 81%, 2% and your 22%. So which one of the following is correct? So RQD is what? Length of core in pieces if it is greater than 10 centimeter, whole upon total core run length, whole into, you have to multiply it by 100. So you have to add 24 plus 12 plus 11 plus 9 plus 22 plus 12 and you have to divide by 100, that is total core run length, and you have to multiply by 100. So that comes 81%. Option number B is correct. Next question you can see, consider the following statements for selecting building stones. So which one? So you have to read this statement. First is, seasoning of stones is essential and is done by soaking in water. Second one is, specific gravity of stone is to be more than 2.7. Third one is, porosity of stone affects its durability. Next is, climatic condition decide the type of stone to be used in constructions. So which one of the following statement is correct? You have to answer. So specific gravity of stone is to be more than 2.7. This is correct. Porosity of stone affects its durability. It is also correct. Climatic condition decides the type of stone to be used in construction. It is also correct. So 2, 3, 4 is correct. So option number D includes 2, 3 and 4 only. So that means option number D is correct. Next question, the compressive strength of granite is. So you have to answer this. Options are 50 to 70 mn per m square, 70 to 130, or 130 to 170, or 170 to 200. So compressive strength of granite is what? 70 to 130. Option number B is correct. Next question is, granite is an example of. Option is aqueous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, or igneous rocks. So granite is an example of what? Igneous rocks. Option number D is correct. Next question is, surface of erosion or non-deposition that separates the younger rock formations from the older rock formation is called. Options are unconformity, folds, faults, or joints. So what is called? That is unconformity. Option number A is correct. Next question is, here you can see the two lists, list 1 and list 2. So we need to match list 1 with the list 2 in the correct order. So igneous rocks. So which one is the types? You need to understand the types of rock and their examples. Like for your igneous rocks, the examples are your basalt and granite. For sedimentary rocks, your example is sandstone, chalk, shale. For metamorphic rock, your examples are your gneiss. marble or slate. So for the igneous rock, which one is the correct? So that is igneous rocks belongs to granite. Option number, that is A with 1. Sedimentary rock is with sandstone. Metamorphic rock is with gneiss, that is 4. C is 4. So A is with 1, B is with 2. Metamorphic rock, that is with 4, that is gneiss, and your pebbles are with gravel. D is with 4. So which one option is correct? Option number B, that is A1, B2, C4 and D3. So option number B is correct. Next question is, which of these rocks would have alumina as their component? Options are siliceous rocks, calcareous rocks, argillaceous rocks, or your igneous rocks. So which of these rocks would have alumina as their component? As I have told you, so the principal constituent is clay, that is alumina, that is Al2O3, and it is in which rocks? In argillaceous rocks. Okay, these rocks are hard and brittle. So examples of these rocks are slate and laterite.